What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Jasmy and my personal targets for Jasmy. So let's get right into this. All right, so let's talk about the smaller time frame first, and then we'll zoom out to the bigger picture. So as you can see here on the smaller time frame, Jasmy is ready for a wave 3. We're getting ready to break out. We had our first Elliott wave sequence, and now we're preparing for another Elliott wave from here. And I believe this wave 3 will be very big. The reason for this is because wave 3 is always going to be bigger than wave 1. Now, Jasmy is at a point in its cycle where it's called the first sell-off pattern or the disbelief phase. They're pretty much the same thing. It's the place in the cycle where people are in disbelief and they don't see a big parabolic run coming and they think that the bull run is over. That's exactly where Jasmy is at right now in terms of its market cycle. Now, in the bigger picture, we're heavily undervalued for this coin. We're set up for a huge run. You can see we had a big correction and an accumulation phase, very similar to what happens to pretty much all cryptos before they have their first major cycle. So here's a chart showing exactly what these crypto cycles do when they first get added to exchanges and before they've had their first cycle. And this is what happens after they bottom out and start to go parabolic. So based on Fibonacci extensions, I believe that Jasmy could hit upwards of $1 per coin. Now, when you hear that, you might want to click away from this video and say, hey, that sounds way too high from current price. We're around a penny right now. There's no way that Jasmy is ever gonna hit $1. But what I encourage you to do is keep watching this video, because I'm gonna give you a strategy to make sure that you profit on this coin no matter how high it goes. So the simplest and the most powerful strategy for trading and investing in crypto is the scaling out method. Basically, you buy when prices are undervalued like they are right now with all these altcoins, and you hold on and you sell 25% off, then another 25% off, and another 25% off, and then you have 25% left in the market on the house that you can just let it run. If it goes higher than your highest target, or if it crashes, it doesn't matter because it's all on the house. Now, for finding where to set those sell orders, it's very simple. You use the Fibonacci extension tool on TradingView, which if you're new to crypto trading can sound like a big kind of scary name, but really it's just a tool that we use to measure from the bottom of our cycle to the top and back down again to give us extensions that we can take profits at. So here's a chart showing what it looks like with Jasmy and the Fibonacci extension tool added, and you can see on this chart exactly what levels to take profits on. So go ahead and pause the video and make sure you write down the areas and the targets on Jasmy so you can set your sell orders at those levels and make the most money on this coin. We have big things coming for crypto. This is only the beginning of the bigger picture cycle. I believe crypto is the future of finance and the future of money in general. Right now, the amount of money that's flowing into crypto in the bigger picture is absolutely insane. It's like a dam breaking, and you definitely don't want to try to swim upstream when a dam is breaking. So if you want to be smart with your money, the best thing you can do is not to go against that stream, but to go with it. Hey, kitty, do you think that Jasmy is gonna go up? Yeah, you do? Yeah, I do too. Oh, you're a good kitty. So be ready for big things coming in crypto and for Jasmy. Very excited about the future. We're all gonna make a lot of money and it's gonna be a lot of fun. Also, what coins would you guys like me to cover next? Comment down below what coin you guys want me to cover next, and I'll add it to the list of coins that I'm steadily working at making videos for, because it's a pretty big list. You guys have given me a lot of requests, but make sure you comment down below and I'll potentially make a video about the coin you want analysis on. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you. I appreciate you. I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. And as always, stay profitable out there.